Trump's tariff pause and NASDAQ correction. A detailed analysis. This report provides a comprehensive analysis of the recent news from the CNBC Daily Open, focusing on President Donald Trump's decision to pause tariffs on some imports from Canada and Mexico, juxtaposed with the NASDAQ Composite entering correction territory. The analysis is based on information available as of March 8, 2025, at 6:44 p.m. PST, ensuring alignment with current data. Background on tariff policies. President Trump's trade policy has been marked by aggressive tariff impositions, aiming to protect American industries and reduce trade deficits. Recently, he imposed 25% tariffs on goods from Canada and Mexico, alongside 10% tariffs on imports from China, as reported in various financial news outlets. Trump tariffs impact. These measures have raised concerns about higher consumer prices and economic slowdown, with estimates suggesting a 0.2% reduction in long-run GDP and 223,000 full-time equivalent job losses due to tariffs on Canada and Mexico alone. On March 6 and 7, 2025, Trump expanded a tariff pause, exempting goods from Canada and Mexico that satisfy the terms of the United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement USMCA. The USMCA, effective since replacing an AFTA, requires that a certain percentage of a product's value be produced within the US, Canada, or Mexico to qualify for tariff-free trade. This exemption means that goods meeting these rules of origin are not subject to the 25% tariffs, as detailed in CNBC Daily Open article. This is distinct from a prior one-month reprieve for U.S. automakers, which had temporarily boosted stock prices but was a temporary measure, and like the seemingly permanent exemption for USMCA-compliant goods. An NASDAQ in correction territory. NASDAQ Composite, a tech-heavy index, has entered correction territory, defined as a 10% or more decline from its recent high. As of March 7, 2025, the index closed at 18,117.61, down from its 52-week high of 20,204.58, representing a drop of approximately 10.33%. This calculation is based on historical data from MarketWatch NASDAQ Composite, which lists the 52-week high, and Yahoo Finance NASDAQ Composite, confirming the current value. The correction indicates a significant shift in market sentiment, potentially signaling broader economic concerns. The decline is attributed to the market's reaction to Trump's trade policies, particularly the uncertainty surrounding tariffs. Despite the exemption for some goods, investors appear to be discounting it, possibly due to the continued tariffs in non-compliant goods and those from China. The news also highlights that the NASDAQ lost its post-election Trump bump, suggesting a peak after Trump's election in 2024, with the recent high likely being 20,204.58, as no higher value was reported in the past year.